Imagine this. You look at the clock. It's midnight, but the sky is still glowing. The sun refuses to leave. A world where night simply stops existing. And it's not magic. It's not a glitch. It's a quiet secret written into the way our planet tilts through space. For most of us, night is a promise, a rhythm, a boundary between light and darkness. But travel far enough north or far enough south, and that promise breaks. Some places on Earth never see the sun set for days, weeks, sometimes months. A phenomenon known as the midnight sun. But to understand why this happens, we have to step back, far back, beyond cities and continents, beyond weather and seasons, into the quiet geometry that shapes every sunrise we've ever seen. Earth does not spin straight. It leans about 23.5 degrees, a small angle with massive consequences. Because as Earth orbits the sun, one half of the planet tilts slightly toward the light, and the other half tilts away. This tilt creates seasons, but it also creates something stranger. Near the poles, the sun's path across the sky stretches and curves, and eventually refuses to dip below the horizon. Instead of setting, it circles, hovering just above the edge of the Earth, as if time itself forgot to switch off the day. This is why places like Norway, Finland, Alaska, Greenland, Iceland, and parts of Antarctica live through days that never end. Imagine waking up at 2 a.m. and seeing sunlight pouring through your window, shadows stretching endlessly, birds still singing, children playing outside as if it's afternoon, the world glowing in gold, long after the world should be asleep. Your body becomes confused. Your mind loses the sense of night. You lie in bed, but your brain believes it's still morning. Constant daylight disrupts melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Some people become energized, restless, creative. Others feel anxious, irritable, unable to sleep even when exhausted. The midnight sun doesn't just change the sky. It changes you. In these regions, life adapts. Festivals begin at midnight. Fishermen work through the night as if it's day. Children play soccer at 1 a.m. because the field is still bright enough to see. People say they feel more alive, more connected to nature, more aware that Earth is not just a world, but a moving object in space. But this constant daylight comes with a shadow, because when summer ends, everything reverses. Months where the sun never rises, where noon looks like twilight, where shadows disappear because there is no light to cast them. People describe it as peaceful, quiet, but also heavy, like waking up inside a dream you can't step out of. Some fall into depression, others find beauty in the silence, but everyone feels the shift. During polar summer, the sun appears to trace a perfect circle around the horizon, not rising, not setting, just rotating. The Earth's tilt aims the polar regions directly toward the sun, causing the sunlight to skim across the atmosphere instead of sinking below it. To an observer on the ground, it feels supernatural, but to astronomers, it's proof that our world is not static. Every sunrise, every sunset, every season, every strange phenomenon is a result of motion. Earth is constantly falling through space, spinning, leaning, orbiting. The midnight sun is simply where all those movements collide. But here's the part we rarely think about. Most of us live as if the world is stable, predictable, reliable. We assume the sun will rise, and that it will eventually set. But in reality, nothing about our planet is fixed. Your darkest nights, your brightest days, your seasons, your rhythms, your patterns of sleep and energy are all shaped by a silent tilt in space that you will never feel, but will always live inside. The midnight sun is not just a phenomenon. It's a reminder that reality is shaped by forces we don't see, that the world is stranger than we imagine, and that even something as simple as day and night is held together by fragile cosmic geometry. We think we understand the world because we live in one small part of it, but travel far enough, and even the definition of night disappears. If you love learning strange facts that change how you see the world, subscribe to Do You Notice? Because next time, we'll uncover something even more unbelievable.